Ah, my people, mona see me, oh, mona see me, oh. I did my own. Mama Nkechi come my house, won't come do amebo for me. And this woman, he can't do amebo. I tell her, say me no do amebo for me. He said, na to do amebo na problem. Now Mama Nkechi come start dey fight me, oh. He come push me. That's how I see myself. That's how I see myself for ground. Now don't see me now. That's how I do yakata for ground. Make anybody wey know Mama Nkechi make e tell am o, because if I stand up for this place where I dey today, if I stand up for this ground where I dey today, if I stand up so as I fat like this so, as I be like this so, if I stand up, Mama Nkechi don finish o, because I go sit down for Baba Nkechi as e small like that short so, I go sit down on top o. Nobody go beg me to stand up o. Me I dey tell una now, shebi una see Baba Nkechi fall me for ground, Mama Nkechi fall me for ground today. Shebi una see o. I tell am say me no do the amebo for me, say me I don tire for the amebo. This woman na so e push me, na so I do yakata, and me I no put my mind o say e wan fight. You know, so e push me, na so I fall for ground like that. You know, see as I do yakata for ground like that. Do you see the way I fall for ground? No, na see me I go show where man show where today oh, man show where my brother, my sister, man show where man show this woman where it's more. Can go see her na ara de. You understand? Can go see her de ara na abam na. Okay na for okay una dey see me oh, una dey see me and my sister. I dey tell you now, this woman come dey show me, come use me now. Come show me say if he fight. You know say this woman come dey, you no look my size no fear am o. My size no fear am. My size no fear am o. In dey feel say because I dey follow and dey laugh. Hey, Mama Nkechi, your own don finish today. You see, Mama Nkechi, your own, even your husband will not know you. Your husband will marry you for house, will not know you today. Your husband will marry you, he will not know you. Because I'm going to sit down on top of you. Everybody will be asking me what happened. I will tell them until I finish. You felt almost to close to say bye-bye for everybody. That's why I will stand up. This woman don't know me. Oh. This woman look my size. You know say the weight of this one self na like a 10 kilo or 15 kilo. Talk as the weight of the leg. Eh? If it is like 40 kilo, the weight of my leg. Talk as the weight of the bakasi. This woman no fear all these things. You no fear the front. You no fear the leg. You no fear the nyash. That's what the woman say. You won't show me. You won't try me. Somebody will come do amebo for your house. So I tell am say, Mama Nkechi, I don't want to do your amebo because your amebo dey cause problem every time for this house, and your amebo too much. This woman say, you go show me. Wetin dey worry me sef. Every time I dey form, abeg make una ask me o. Na by force to do amebo. As I dey talk, this woman carry this thing o. Na so this woman push me, I fall for ground. Na so he push me. I think he just dey pray o. Ah, shebi una dey see as trouble dey, as person dey dey im own, trouble dey find am dey come o. Me I dey tell una now, Chineke bi n'eluigwe, ọgọdọ na-akpọ n'ala, ya zọpụta Mama Nkechi tata. You go be that. Na him dey help Baba Nkechi because Mama Nkechi feel say him get power, him fit do anything, Make una tell am Mama Nkechi, and if you see Mama Nkechi is very small. It's not too, it's very, very small. If I sit down on top, oh, if I show am pepper today, if you see person like my size next time, you go dey run. Can you imagine this woman? You no fear my size you no fear this woman. My size no fear this one. This one will be 50 kilo, and this leg will be like 40 or 30 kilo, and the bakasi wey dey for the back. This woman, I'll be that this my hand. This my hand only 30 kg. This woman no fear those things. You no fear all these things wey dey my body. This woman won't come show me say he go fit fight. He go fit. Na so he push me. I can't fall for God. So you people see all my body. Look at all my body. Can you imagine? You look at all my body. No, na see all my body. This woman dey show me pepper. You see all my body. This woman fall me for ground. This woman no get fear, no fear for im eye. You no fear my size. You no fear my size. Say if I give her one slap with this my hand, say im go see the other side. This woman won't fear. He won't come show me say, nah me I go show this woman o. Make una no beg me o. Make una no beg me. I dey beg una well well, make una no beg me. Make una no beg me, make una no beg me o. One person go meme today o. One person must meme. This woman na so you look me. You look my pipe, you look my lipstick, you look everything. He told me that every time you go dey put the stick, you go dey put plenty. Who you dey pet am? No be to go to shop. Who you dey pet every time? I say, what is your problem? That one pass. This Mama Nkechi now come my house o. Come my house. He want to talk. I tell him, me I don't want to talk today. Na so this woman for me for ground back. Na so he push me. I tell her what happened. He tell me, why me every time I tell him, I don't want talk today. Say because he like me, he dey like come give information. I say I don't want your information again. Information minister, now you be Mama Nkechi. I say I don't want the information minister again. This woman come use like idea. Na so he push me. Na so I get myself for ground. Make una see now. Una dey see am now. To stand up, you know say na war. You know say to stand up for this place where I dey na war. To stand up for even to carry one of my leg here now na war. Una dey see am now. This woman don start dey look for my trouble. You don dey look for my trouble since. Make sure you pay ara o. Make sure you pay ara. All this Yoruba country, the Yoruba place wey we dey o. This all this Yoruba place wey we dey. Na make me dey keep quiet for am. You understand? Na make me dey keep quiet for am. I go show this woman pepper o. I go show am pepper. Me I dey tell you now, this thing don too much for this woman. Every time this woman dey give me wahala. If I wear clothes na problem. You go tell me say why I pack like this. This woman na so he come meet me one day. He tell me say I pack this my Bible, pack am. Where I dey pack and they go heaven go meet Jesus. I tell her say which kind talk be that one? Make you no try that kind of talk next time. I dey do everything for my Bobby. I dey do everything for my honey. I dey do everything for my Yori, my husband. Now I dey do for. I know they do for you, Mama Nkechi. Mama Nkechi, I'm not doing it for you. I tell her like that. This woman, I tell her stop coming and talk. I'm tired for talking. My brothers Abemo na help me judge this case. Me, I'm tired though. This woman push me this for ground like this oh. This woman go buy goat for me. You go know say woman play pass woman. This woman go buy goat for me. If you no buy goat for me I go show am pepper. Oh. When it go happen, I go hear am. I go show Mama Nkechi pepper. Today na today. Me I go show Mama Nkechi pepper. Una go see am. Abeg, make una tell me wetin I go tell Mama Nkechi o. Make una drop am. Make una drop am for the damn day. Make una tell me wetin I go do Mama Nkechi because me I don dey paranoid. My innermost just dey paranoid. Dey boil like soup. Come dey boil. Come dey come my chest. The thing come dey blow my chest. After the thing come dey come for my mouth. Me I wan show am were. Small were. Make I show am. You know say as we live for Lagos, na so they talk am. Make I show am small were. When I show am small were, he go know say Kakenyi leather no be the same. I wan show Mama Nkechi today. He start say for me. See how I go take stand up now. Make una see me o. How I go take stand up. How I go take carry one of my legs stand up. How I go take stand up now. I know she push me, she can't go. And my children, they are very, very small. Who go help me to carry myself up? I go show Mama Nkechi. Make una drop una this thing. I go show Mama Nkechi pepper. But I go show my person house, won't come fight am. Tribuna they see. I go show am where today. Make una drop una this thing. I beg, okay?